Today we're in La Chismosa, the most affordable area in all of the Orihuela Costa. But does that mean we have to compromise on location and amenities? Today we're going to find out.
So before we continue, I am Luis, this is Sam, and welcome to Costa Blanca Stories. This is your YouTube channel for all things related to Costa Blanca, specifically Torrevieja and Orihuela Costa. And before we continue, I would like to say please subscribe. And if you like the content, please comment and share. All right, so Sam, you were saying
Yes.
we're in Las Chismosas, a very
Correct.
popular location, right? We're here
Yes.
right now in,
The La Chismosa's bar.
yes,
Which
very
has
popular
Swimming
thing.
pool, mini golf.
Yes,
And I wanted to start here because it is probably the most lively part of the entire urbanization or neighborhood. No, the thing is, as I mentioned before in the hook, if I can call it that, it is the cheapest
Yes.
area in all of Orihuela Costa, and it has been for a while now. And so the idea today is just to ask why. Why
Yes.
is it? Why is it cheap? You know?
well, probably I think we were discussing in the car, and probably it is because of the fact this was one of the main areas that was built, right?
Mhm.
And there's no more room for new stuff. So
Yes.
things are a little bit older, but it's crazy because if you think about it, like I'm gonna show those houses.
Go for it, yeah.
Yes, because they're very, very decent,
Yes, of
right?
course,
Like,
yeah.
I mean, it's not when we say older things, it doesn't mean
It means like
necessarily.
20, 30 years ago.
Yes, but it doesn't necessarily mean something bad, you know? Actually,
Yeah.
there in that street, up that street, I remember you and I were.
We're going to show that later.
We're gonna show that
Yeah,
later.
we're going to go
All
past
right.
that. Yeah, we're
Yes.
just going to go around to show, because this side is where you enter for the pool and stuff.
All right.
And then just around the corner is where there are some bars and restaurants. And
Got
the thing
it.
is that, again, in these walk-around tours, we're showing you the area to let you know the differences. Because, for example, here, it is much less lively, of course, if you compare it to the likes of Punta Prima or La Florida. But as we always say in these videos, it depends what you're looking for. For
Yes.
example, again, it's early in the morning, but it's quite quiet, it's quite nice. And again, if you live in one of these houses or apartments that Luis just showed, then your walking distance, well, I mean, I'd imagine you have your own pool anyway, but to have family here or to be here on holiday or to live here and you have a pool bar right here,
Yeah.
within 2 minutes walking of your house, and then you go around the corner, and you have a big kind of park area, and then you have a couple extra restaurants. Like I said, this is the idea for showing La Chismosa. It's a bit quieter than the more lively neighborhoods in Orihuela Costa, but again, not everyone's looking to be next to La Cenia or
Yes, and
Cabo Roy,
I
you know?
was just gonna say that when you think about it, it all depends on what you want. Because objectively speaking, this is the kind of area. I mean, we're not talking about living in London, Madrid, Barcelona, like capital thing, you know? So when you live in these kind of areas, it's true that you need a car. You know what I mean?
Yes, especially Orihuela Costa in comparison to Torrevieja, perhaps.
It's definitely a residential kind of thing. You
Yes.
know, at least you live in Torrevieja Center, that we have made videos about it.
Yes.
This is more like a residential kind of thing. You need a car. And objectively speaking, by car, everything is like 2-3 minutes. Like from here, for example, you've got Mercadona, Aldi, and the things. Everything is pretty close, you know?
Well, not even just by car, but even walking. Like, for example, you're only maybe 10 or 15 minutes walking to the heart
Yes.
of like La Florida or even to Playa Flamenca. So again, the location is, you're not exactly in the midst of everything, but you're still walking distance from many things. And
Yes.
of course, you have your more quiet, low-key, La Chismosa things in your neighborhood also, you know?
Yes.
Shall we also mention house prices, perhaps?
Yeah, go ahead. You're
So-
the expert on this
So
field.
again, as we said, this is the most affordable area in all of Orihuela Costa based on asking prices as of recording of this video. And so a decent 2-bed property will set you back starting from around 140, 150,
All right.
which again is quite affordable considering that you are in a very nice location in Orihuela Costa, no? And as we said, we're talking about resales perhaps from 20, 30 years ago, because the thing is, I mean, show that part of the land over there, Luis. I mean, I don't know what they're going to do with that, if that's protected or not. It looks like a wild park kind of area, if anything. But I mean, you never know. You know?
The thing now here, it's true that, for example,
Well, for example, they're selling this land here.
yes, they're selling this land.
So
yeah.
you never know what's going to happen there.
But the thing is that right now, in Orihuela Costa, we've been seeing that in these lands they're building things like clubs,
Yes.
or how to say this?
The cricket, there's
the
a-
cricket thing,
yeah.
or just buildings as well,
Correct.
houses.
Yes,
So
yes.
right now, things are happening. Lots of things are happening in this area.
Yes.
And when it comes to the price thing, I mean, what day is today? August the 1st. August the 1st, when we're recording this. A very close friend of mine, she recently bought a house, like,
Near here.
yeah, like 1 minute by car from here, all
Yes.
right? And price range, it was a 3-floor kind of house, very similar to ours. And I think they paid, I know they paid 145,000,
Yes, but let's also mention that they got quite a bit of a bargain there, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And
I
can you
know.
just show this also, Luis. This is just the
Yeah.
other side of the La Chismosa thing. You have an Italian there. You have an Asian restaurant there. You also have the actual, bar connected to the pool itself.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, it's quite decent. It's quite decent, to be fair.
Yes, and also a little convenience store.
Yes.
But this is the main commercial part for La Chismosa,
Yeah, correct.
And we're going to finish also just by showing a couple of the urbanizations up here.
All right.
Just to show what the rest of the housing looks like,
Yes.
But again, to be honest, like I said, for me, I think it's quite a nice area.
I think so too.
Like I said, it's quiet enough, but it's still walking distance to many things that you can find nearby.
Yes, absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
And it's kind of also in that area that's kind of near La Florida, near Los Almendros. So it's in a good area. It's its own area in the end.
Yes. Yes.
And as Luis also mentioned before, near the beginning of the video, we have actually viewed houses here.
In Amapola 7, yes.
Yes. Well, and also behind it, because I think there's Calle del Lobo.
I know, but the entire plot is the Amapolas thing.
Corzo, yes, exactly, yes.
It's a very... There are several options there.
Yes,
we have another friends that are trying to buy here, so yes. We're bringing everyone to our area, But yes, I think definitely it is a big opportunity, If maybe your budget is a little shorter, I think it's interesting because at the end, I think this location is amazing. And something that I'm not gonna get tired of saying all the time is that, objectively speaking, in this area, everything is so close. Actually, last night I went to Torrevieja, to Torrevieja Center, and the traffic was nuts. Of course, it's because it's summer,
It's peak summer.
But that doesn't really happen in Orihuela Costa. You know what I mean? Like, you can go to the places and it's not that crazy. You understand my point?
Of course, because Torrevieja is its own little center,
Yes, and it's
again,
bigger.
Just show these houses because they're quite nice, aren't they?
Yes, it's the Amapola 7, the entire plot.
Well, the thing is, you have, the thing is, in our urbanization, it's all townhouses, but sometimes you have like upstairs apartments and downstairs apartments. So also look out for that, because depending on the urbanization, it could be one or the other.
Yes.
Yes. But like I said, either way, this is, again, it's a very residential area, La Chismosa, And for me, as I said before, it's a good balance of, you want to have things fairly close.
Yep.
But you're not in the crazy...
Yeah, Punta Prima,
Flamenca,
La Fenia, yes, definitely. Maybe you like more peace, more silence,
Exactly,
right?
yes, exactly.
That's also valid, I think.
Of course it is. Again, there's always going to be a different kind of buyer for everything,
Yes. And you also have these big houses here,
Yes, but again, as you can see, there's not much modern housing around, and that's also the reason why it is the most affordable.
Yes. Car come in, yes. But it's an advantage, because you can be in the spot, you can be here in the place,
Yeah.
But it can still be affordable, because not everyone, and I understand people who prefers this modern Scandinavian kind of building.
Beautiful.
I get it, you know what I mean? But this is also an opportunity. And I also love that these kind of buildings, they have that typical Spanish touch, when people comes here to buy.
Yes.
The typical Spanish kind of thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think now, of course, the new modern buildings are super, super nice.
Yes.
But sometimes I miss a little bit that kind of construction.
That Spanish rustic kind
Yes,
of feel,
yes, So I think these houses in the future, they're going to have that added value, They're going to be like the old
like
house.
a throwback.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, this is us coming to near the end of the... Again, the thing is that it's very residential, so it very much looks the same all over, So, yeah, I would say so. So,
yes.
To wrap up, as we said, why is it the most affordable in all of the area? For the reasons we just mentioned. It's a bit older when it comes to housing. There's not a lot of modern resales in the area. And again, it's not in the heart of places like Playa Flamenca or Punta Prima. It's not on the coast. It's a bit further back. But again, does any of that really matter? It depends on what you're buying.
Not really, yes.
It depends on what you're looking for. So I would say La Chismosa, despite being the most affordable, I think it's definitely worth having a look here for a house.
Yes. And that's the advantage of this area. Like everywhere is pretty much nice.
Correct.
So remember, if you are house hunting, you can contact us. Or if you want to put your property in the market, you can also contact us and we can sell it for you. I think this is the end of the video, right?
Yes, it is.
Please comments here, please.
And
subscribe, share, and let us know what you think. What would you like to see? Because with your feedback, we can also create more content,
of course
right?
we can. Yes.
Right? See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.